I is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fig. Come and sing the sounds with me, learning letters A to Z. G is for goat, H is for hat, I is for insect, J is for jam, K is for kite, L is for lion. Let's all say them loud and clear. Phonics, fun is here to cheer, to cheer. No! M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for octopus, P is for pig, U is for queen, R is for wobbit. Reading letters helps us grow. Let's keep learning as we go. Let's keep learning as we go. Let's keep learning as we go. S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for